my dear children, I hope you all are safe and spending very good time with your parents. I hope you have seen my previous video. It was about rectangle shape, 1 to 100 counting and what comes before. Children, we will start our class with prayer. So all of you please join your hands and close your eyes and repeat after me, okay? Enlighten our mind, O Lord, help us to practice what will be taught and to retain what we study so that we may become wiser and better. Amen. This is our 15th lesson and I hope you have watched my last video and completed the given homework. Today we will learn about heavy and light, counting 101 to 200, what comes between. Both the works we will do in our maths notebook, okay? Now we will do our first topic, that is heavy and light. See, heavy means भारी, okay? And light means हल्का, हल्का होता है जो आपने देखा होगा ना, कभी कभी मम्मा वेजिटेबल लेने जाती है तो मम्मा एक बार वेट मशीन में डालती है तो अगर जो चीज हैवी होती है वो हमारी डाउन हो जाती है और लाइट वन अप चली जाती है. तो हैवी मीन्स भारी. ओके, नाउ सी ऑल ऑफ यू लुक हियर. एप्पल, एप्पल इज हैवी देन स्ट्रॉबेरी. यस, एप्पल इज हैवी एंड स्ट्रॉबेरी इज लाइट. ओके, लाइट मीन्स हल्की है. ओके, नाउ car is more heavier than cycle or cycle? Yes, car is heavy than bicycle. Okay, car is heavy and bicycle is light. Okay, now house, house is heavy or leaf is heavy? Yes, house is heavy and leaf is light. light means आप उसको पकड़ सकते हो. easy में मतलब जो आपको उठाने में heavy ना हो, भारी ना हो, वो चीज लाइट होती है. ओके, और जो चीज आपको उठाने में बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, उठाना पड़ता है, उसको हम हैवी बोलते हैं. हैवी मीन्स भारी होती है. सी, देयर आर सो मेनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, नाउ टेल मी, दिस बुक इज हैवी और दिस पेन इज हैवी? यस, दिस बुक इज हैवी एंड पेन इज लाइट. वेरी गुड. नाउ टेल मी, दिस पॉट इज हैवी और दिस पॉट इज हैवी? Yes, this one is heavy and this one is light. ये आप easily hold कर सकते हो, but ये थोड़ा heavy है इसके comparatively. Okay. Now, this toy is heavy or this toy is heavy? This one is heavy and this one is very light. ये तो कोई भी उठा सकता है easily. Okay. Now, learn more about heavy and light with Lemon the Lion.
About heavy and light. A mango is light and a watermelon is heavy. A mouse is light and an elephant is heavy. One book is light and 6 books are heavy. A balloon is light and a brick is heavy. This is a weighing scale. The side which is heavy goes down and the side which is light goes up. An apple is light and a watermelon is heavy. One book is light and 6 books are heavy. A piece of cotton is light and a brick is heavy. This side is lighter because one kid is sitting. This side is heavier because 2 kids are sitting. Lighter side will go up and heavier side will go down. Seesaw is now balanced. Both sides have same number of kids.
you understood topic of heavy and light. So please take out your maths book and open page number 17. This topic we will do in our maths book. Okay? Take out your pencil and eraser also. Page number 17. Okay? Now write down 15th lesson. Heading is heavy and light. Now read heading with me. Tick. Tick means ऐसे tick करना है आपको. The objects that are heavy. जो objects heavy हैं आपके, you have to tick. Okay, heavy means भारी. Now write down CW class work. Now look here. Pumpkin and walnut. Which one is heavy? Pumpkin or walnut? Yes, pumpkin. So you put tick here. Okay. Now flower and apple. Which one is heavy? Yes, apple. An apple is heavy. Okay. And this part is your HW homework. Now tell me which animal is heavy, elephant or fox? Yes, elephant. Now tell me, bird is heavy or ant? Yes, bird. Put tick here, okay? You have to do this part as a homework, okay? Now we will revise once again counting 101 to 200, okay? Now 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, okay? 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Now next 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 200. Now see, I want to say something. जब जैसे डिक्टेशन में जब मैम बोलती है नाउ राइट डाउन 156, तो आप लोग बहुत ज्यादा बच्चे क्या करते हो 156. दिस वन इज रॉन्ग. ओके, आपको 1 के बाद 0 नहीं लगाना है. ओके, आपको कैसे लिखना है 1, दिस इज 100. ओके, 100, क्योंकि 100 तो हमारा ऑलरेडी ओवर हो गया. अब हम उसके आगे की काउंटिंग कर रहे हैं. ओके, 156. ओके, आपको 1 लिखना है फिर 56 लिखना है. तो ये 1 जो है 156. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 145, मैम ने डिक्टेशन में आपको बोला राइट डाउन 145, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे 145. ये 1 जो है आपका 100, इसको हम बोलेंगे एंड यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 145. ओके, जब एग्जाम में आपका डिक्टेशन होगा तो आपको कैसे बोला है 145. मैम ने बोला तो आप ऐसे ही लिखोगे 145. कोई भी यहाँ 0 नहीं लगाओगे, नहीं तो मार्क्स कट जाएंगे आपके.
Now children, please take out your maths notebook and pencil.
Now all of you write down 15th lesson CW classwork, and heading is counting 101 to 200. ओके, एंड वन थिंग मोर, आप जब भी जिस दिन भी आप अपना ये वर्क करोगे उस दिन का डेट आप यहाँ लिखोगे. ओके, एवरी लेसन में. ओके, यू शुड राइट डेट हेयर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लीव वन लाइन, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Put cross. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Again put cross. 121, 122. देखो मैम ने यहाँ 0 नहीं लगाया. 100 मीन्स 1 एंड 22. जो बोलेंगे वही आपको लिखना है. ओके, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Put cross. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Again put cross. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Now after 150, write here, okay? Again write down CW classwork. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159 and 160. Again put cross. 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. Again put cross. 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180. Again put cross. 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 100. Yes, 90. 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 200. See, our classwork is done. Now I am giving you homework. Write down HW homework. Okay, HW homework. Lesson. Yes. 15th lesson. Heading is counting 101 to 200. Okay, now use both the pages. Okay, here and this one also. नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा dirty लगेगा. Okay, both the pages. Okay, this one is your homework. Now we will do our last topic, that is between. Okay, before means पहले, जो नंबर पहले आता है उसमें हम हमेशा बैकवर्ड यूज करते हैं, बैक काउंटिंग यूज करते हैं. ओके, एंड आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी विल डू बिटवीन. बिटवीन मीन्स होता है बीच में, बीच में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1-3. अब 1 and 3 के बिटवीन, बिटवीन मीन्स बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? आफ्टर 1, यस 2. यानी कि 1 and 3 के बीच में बिटवीन 2 नंबर आता है. ओके, नाउ 11-13. 11 and 13 के बिटवीन विच नंबर? यस, आफ्टर 11 12. यस 12. 11, 12, 13. Now 46-48. Which number come between 46 and 48? Yes. पहले आप ये वाला 4 लिख दो यहाँ पे एंड काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, आफ्टर की तरह ही आपको देखना है. Now check 46, 47, 48. 8. Now 33 dash 35. Tell me which number come between 33 and 35? Yes, 33, 34, 35. तो means between means दोनों numbers के बीच में जब अगर blank हो तो आप समझ जाओ आपको उसमें between करना है. Okay? Now we will do this work in our maths book. All of you please take out your maths book and open page number 2 to 22. Okay?
Okay, open page number 22 and write down here 15th lesson CW classwork. Okay, now all of you read after me. What comes between? Okay, now write the number that comes between the given numbers. Okay, आपको इन दोनों numbers के बीच में जो blank है you have to fill that blank. Okay, आपको उस blank को fill करना है. Now tell me 2 and 4 which number? After 2 3. Yes, यानी कि 2 and 4 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 3. Now 5 and 7. Tell me which number? 5, 6, 7. Very good. Now next number 8 and 10. 8, 9, 10. Now next number 11 dash 13. Which number? 11 after 11? Very good. 12. 11, 12, 13. Now 14 dash 16. Which number? After 14? 15. Now next number, see. 20, 20. After 20? 21 and 22. आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर बीच में ब्लैंक है तो मीन्स आपको बिटवीन वाला नंबर फाइंड आउट करके लिखना है. ओके, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, this one is done and this next one is your as a homework. To write down here HW homework. You have to do both the work homework. Okay,
I hope you understood all the topics which we have done today. And please children, complete your homework and classwork in your maths notebook and maths book properly. Okay, and please write down date also. Thanks for watching this educational video. Please take care. Keep smiling. Goodbye.